Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Fort Yellowstone, the Albright Visitor Center in Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. Yeah. You're walking around the Visitor Center today. It is April as I record this. The park has been open for a week. So people are just arriving here. Yesterday it was snowing. Today it is beautiful. It is currently 44 degrees according to my Apple Watch. Not sponsored. So yeah, today we're checking out the Fort Yellowstone Albright Visitor Center. If it's your first time here, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment. We just bought the lifetime pass to visit all national parks. So what is your favorite national park? Let me know in the comments and maybe I'll go see that one next. Here we go, let's check it out.
There's two entrances that are open right now, so the north one
So this is the Yellowstone Visitor Center. It used to be Fort Yellowstone. So back when this was first a national park, the army was here to keep things safe. And this is where the barracks were. Now these are all residents or people who work in the park, except for the visitor center. So this was Fort Yellowstone. Back when they first opened Yellowstone, people would come in and poach, steal things. So they brought the army in to keep it safe. And this is where they were housed. These are now all residents for people who work in the park, rangers and whatnot. There's also a post office here. It's like a church down there. A dining hall, which is over there. There's a justice center. I guess if you're arrested in the park. Department of Engineering. But right now, since it is early April, the park just opened up last week as I record this. A lot of stuff isn't open yet until May. Yeah. Sure is beautiful though. This is also where the Grand Loop starts, which is it's a 140-mile figure-8 loop through the park. It starts here. You can either go clockwise or counterclockwise. We actually have a video tour. I'll put the link in the description. And it's cool because remember, there's no cell service out here. So you download the app. I think it was 20 bucks. And you download the map and the guide, and you turn it on as you drive, and as your GPS hits certain spots, it tells you about it. It's cool. So there's admin for the park, post office, justice center. It's for all the rangers. And then a lot of this is just housing for people who live or work in the park. All right, we are in historic Fort Yellowstone, now the Horace Albright Visitor Center. This is about 5 miles inside of the north entrance. And at one time was Army barracks when they first opened up Yellowstone. Needed a way to protect it from poachers, hunters. So they brought the Army in, and this was their barracks. There's now a visitor center, gift shop, a dining hall, gas station. There's a medical center, but I don't know if that's just for people who work here. So most of the houses now are residents for people who work in the park. Let's take a look. Over there's the dining hall and the gas station, general store, visitor center. Looks like it might be a church over there. And these are all private residences. Can you even imagine? So, 2025, they began rehabbing these historic structures. And they're beautiful. And that's your view in the morning. looking at these posts everywhere, I can't imagine the snow getting that high. I mean, I'm 6 foot. That's insane. So it's like not all these have been painted yet, they're still working on them. And you can see got your fire department, paramedics down here. Crime in Wonderland. From poachers to stagecoach robbers, soldiers were kept busy enforcing the law. There were 5 stagecoach robberies in Yellowstone with the last occurring in 1914. On August 24th, 1908, in what is considered the greatest stagecoach robbery of the 20th century, a single robber held up 174 passengers in 17 coaches, about 3 miles east of Kepler Cascades. Wow. And that's why they brought the army in. Because we're literally in the middle of nowhere. I mean, right now, if you're in Yellowstone, you have no cell service. That's 2025. Imagine 1914, how remote this place was. Imagine if your parents worked here and you got to grow up here. Ooh, that siren's not something you want to hear go off. There's some soldiers' barracks. So that's what this was. I'm guessing it's offices now. Also, it doesn't look like it, but right now it is currently 43 degrees. Got a gymnasium, a bowling alley. They can play cards, drink beer. They showed movies once a week. So, not a church as I thought it was. Oh, now it's the credit union. Here's the superintendent's office for the Department of the Interior. Fight the good fight, buddy. And that's the back side of the post office. National Park Service Act was signed in 1916, and the soldiers were discharged, and many became the first rangers of Yellowstone. Okay, let's go see if the dining hall and store are open. I doubt it. Let's go look. So over there we have the Mammoth Hot Springs Hotel. You have the dining hall, Terrace Grill, which we were here yesterday and was not open, closed for season. Today it's open, so maybe it's only a Friday, Saturday, Sunday thing. Got a general store over here, gas station and ice over there. Let's go check it out. Very nice in here. Menu items. Here's the Mammoth Hot Springs General Store. All your Yellowstone needs. Oxygen. Bear spray. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this because they're going to have a lot of Yellowstone content coming out soon. Because that's what my life is right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment. We did buy the lifetime pass, so what is your favorite national park? And I will do my best to go check it out. Alright, see you guys next time. You see where the road takes us. Thanks for watching. Bye.